How to turn off app notification. If your phone sounds like a pinball machine, it's time to turn off those annoying app notifications. Swipe down from the top, tap your icon, or open the setting app from your home screen. Tap notification. This is your control center for peace and quiet. You will see a list of recently active apps. Pick the noisy app. Tap on the app that's driving you crazy, like Facebook, TikTok, or the random game. Toggle allow notification to off, or customize block just pops up. Keep bass but mute sound. You are the boss. And just like that, you have reclaimed your peace. No more buzz, just bliss. Like if your phone is now finally quiet. Comment if you need help for specific apps. Subscribe for more Android sanity favor. See you in the next one.